Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for accounting. Today we'll be looking at how to transfer general ledger entries to cost accounting entries. Now, this is a very important step if you want to analyze costs that have been spent by department, project, or product. This is what will give you the best visibility when it comes to where you've spent in your business. So first, I just want to show you the cost accounting setup. So you can just search it up here. And so I'm going to talk first about the starting date for GL transfer. Now, if you want to have an automatic transfer that is done in Business Central, you can insert here the date from which you want the entries to be taken into account. So for instance, in this example, I'm going to put the 1st of January of 2025. So as you can see here, it will just give you a heads up that it's now going to take into account only entries that have been made from that date. So you can go ahead and click on yes. And then the other thing is we've got the option here to auto transfer from GL account, which you can enable. So then this will allow any entries that you create in your general ledger to then be automatically transferred into the cost accounting, which basically this is the easiest method, but I wanted to show you how we can also do it manually. So I'm not going to choose this option for now. What now we are going to do is we are going to then search for the transfer GL to cost accounting. So as you can see, once you click on it, you will not have anything else to do because it's already giving you a small window here where it's telling you what it's going to do. And obviously, since you've selected the date on the cost accounting setup, it will obviously take the entries as from that date. So you can just go ahead and click on yes. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and check if all of the entries have been transferred in the cost registers. Now, for this example, obviously I'm using a demo platform where we don't have any transaction or entry that have been added. So obviously I have nothing to show you, but on your own Business Central platform, this is where you would then come to check all of the transfers that has been done from the general ledger account to your cost accounting. If you click on the cost entries, this will provide you with even more details about the different entries, so the cost type, the cost center code, the document number, and so on. And if you also see here in the cost registers, we've got the source, so it will always let you know that it has been transferred from where. In this case, it was transferred from the GL account into the cost accounting. So there you have it, guys. It was just a very quick video to let you understand a little bit more about how we can do transfers from general ledger entries to cost accounting entries. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.